What is up, guys? In this video, we're going to fix a couple of issues we have with the physics, and we're also going to get the obstacles removing from our scene when they go off screen in order to save processing power. So to start, let's go into our CC jump obstacle. What we're going to do with all three of our obstacle types is we're just going to increase the density on their physics body. So if we say density equals 99999, this is essentially, on a practical level, this thing is not going to move. So the higher the density, objects that have very little density running into it, that object is not actually going to move. So we want to do that with all three of these guys. So let's copy that. In our CC attack obstacle, let's do the same thing. And also in our CC slide obstacle, we want to do that as well. So that should fix the issue of our obstacles moving around. We also want to go into our CC hero class. I noticed that sometimes the hero falls under the ground. In terms of, it's like he's behind the ground when he falls. So to fix this, we are going to set something called the Z position property. This is what defines what object is going to be on top of another object within a scene. So we can say Z position equals 1.0, and because the default is 0, we're going to get the hero, and he's going to be ahead of any other default object that we add to our scene. Awesome. So now that those couple of physics errors are fixed, we can go into our game scene class down to our update method. So now that we have the obstacles tracking, we want to remove the obstacles when they go off scene. So let's put a comment in here. Just remove obstacles when they go off scene. And we're going to do something basically fairly similar to what we did up here with tracking the obstacles. We're going to say if generator.obstacles.count is greater than 0, we want to grab the current obstacle from the obstacles array. Let current obstacle equal generator.obstacles at 0. And again, we want to convert this to scene coordinates. So we're going to say let obstacle position in scene equal convert points current obstacle dot position from node generator. And we're going to say if this obstacle position in scene, the x coordinate of this position is less than minus frame.size.width over 2. So this is going to be the point at which the obstacle is off of our screen. We are going to say we need to remove this guy from our obstacles array. So we're going to say generator.obstacles.remove first. And we also want to remove him from his parents. So we're going to say current obstacle.remove from parent. And awesome, that should work for our cleanup. Let's run this guy, see if we're having any issues. If we tap to start, guy's running. It looks like, oh, I accidentally put in 9 instead of 0. That's going to be a significant problem. Let's put in 0 there. Try running this one more time. Tap to start. Awesome, our hero is running. Jump across, points labels incrementing, and awesome. It looks like our hero can even bounce between obstacles, which is kind of fun. So yeah, that's going to be it for the cleanup, and I'll see you guys in the next video.